Across vast fields, a sea of green stretches as far as the eye can see. Rows upon rows of broccoli plants stand tall, their crowns heavy with florets. This is the culmination of months of careful cultivation, the moment when the broccoli is ready for harvest. The air is filled with the anticipation of the hard work ahead. Soon, the fields will be alive with activity as workers and machines work together to bring in the harvest. The journey of broccoli from farm to factory is about to begin. For generations, harvesting broccoli was a labor-intensive process, done entirely by hand. Workers would move through the fields, carefully cutting each head of broccoli with a sharp knife. It was slow, demanding work, often done under the hot sun. While manual harvesting is still practiced in some parts of the world, the modern era has brought about a revolution in broccoli harvesting. Heavy machinery and advanced agricultural technology have transformed the way broccoli is brought from the field to the factory. Today's broccoli fields are often dominated by impressive machines' automatic harvesters. These mechanical marvels are designed for efficiency and speed, capable of harvesting vast quantities of broccoli in a fraction of the time it would take a team of workers. The automatic harvester moves through the field, its sensors scanning the plants to identify those ready for harvest. Once a mature broccoli head is detected, the machine's robotic arm swings into action. With precision, a sharp blade slices through the stalk, separating the head from the plant. The harvested broccoli doesn't touch the ground. Instead, it's gently guided by a system of conveyor belts onto a waiting platform. Here, workers conduct a quick quality check, removing any damaged or imperfect heads. The broccoli that passes inspection continues its journey on the conveyor belt, moving towards the next stage of the process. The use of automatic harvesters has not only increased the speed and efficiency of broccoli harvesting, but has also reduced the physical strain on workers. With the harvest complete, the broccoli begins its journey from the field to the factory. Trucks, loaded high with freshly harvested broccoli, rumble out of the fields, headed for processing plants where the transformation from plant to packaged product will take place. The journey from field to factory is a critical time for maintaining the freshness and quality of the broccoli. To ensure the broccoli arrives in optimal condition, the trucks are often refrigerated, keeping the temperature cool and preventing spoilage. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the broccoli is unloaded and prepared for the next stage of its journey. The use of technology doesn't stop at the field. Inside the processing plant, advanced systems are used to monitor every step of the process, ensuring that the broccoli is handled with care and that the highest standards of quality are maintained. From the moment it leaves the field to the moment it reaches the supermarket shelf, the journey of broccoli is a testament to the ingenuity of the modern agriculture. Section 4. Cleaning and cutting, preparing for processing. The first step in the processing plant is a thorough cleaning. The broccoli is transferred from the trucks onto conveyor belts, where it is subjected to a series of gentle washes. These washes remove any dirt, debris, or insects that may have hitched a ride from the field. The water used in the washing process is carefully filtered and treated to ensure it is clean and safe. Once the broccoli is sparkling clean, it moves on to the cutting stage. Here, automated cutting machines separate the broccoli heads into individual florets. These machines are incredibly precise, ensuring that each floret is the perfect size and shape. The cutting process also removes any remaining leaves or tough stems, leaving only the tender, edible parts of the broccoli. The florets are then inspected once more, with any imperfect pieces being removed. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that only the highest quality broccoli makes it to the next stage of processing. Section 5. Blanching and freezing, locking in freshness. To preserve the broccoli's vibrant green color, its nutrients, and its fresh flavor, it undergoes a process called blanching. Blanching involves briefly submerging the broccoli florets in boiling water and then rapidly cooling them in ice water. This process halts the enzyme activity that can cause loss of flavor, color, and texture over time. Blanching also helps to clean the broccoli further and reduces its microbial load, ensuring food safety. After blanching, the broccoli is ready for freezing. Rapid freezing is essential for maintaining the broccoli's quality. The florets are spread out on a conveyor belt and pass through a freezing tunnel, where they are subjected to extremely cold temperatures. This flash freezing process turns the water inside the broccoli into tiny ice crystals, preventing the formation of large ice crystals that can damage the cell walls and affect the texture of the broccoli. Section 6. Packaging power, preserving quality and extending shelf life. Packaging plays a crucial role in maintaining the quality and extending the shelf life of frozen broccoli. After freezing, the broccoli florets are packaged using automated systems. The packaging material is carefully chosen to protect the broccoli from freezer burn, moisture loss, and damage during shipping and handling. The packaging often features a resealable zipper or a sturdy bag design, allowing consumers to easily access and store the broccoli. Clear windows on the packaging allow consumers to see the quality of the broccoli inside. The packaging also provides important information such as the product's weight, nutritional content, cooking instructions, and expiration date. Proper packaging ensures that the broccoli remains fresh, flavorful, and nutritious until it reaches the consumer's plate. Section 7. Technologies triumph broccoli on demand. The journey of broccoli from farm to factory is a testament to the power of technology in modern agriculture. From the automated harvesters in the field to the sophisticated processing and packaging systems, technology has revolutionized the way broccoli is produced, making it more efficient, sustainable, and accessible to consumers worldwide. The next time you reach for a bag of frozen broccoli florets, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken and the ingenuity that made it possible. Thanks to these advancements, consumers can enjoy fresh, nutritious broccoli year-round. Whether it's steamed, roasted, or stir-fried, broccoli is a versatile and delicious vegetable that adds valuable nutrients to our diets. The journey of broccoli from farm to factory is a fascinating example of how technology is shaping the future of food production, bringing healthy and convenient options to our tables.